Please note, if you're assembling a drone pouch suite, the drone pouches on the sides of the burro and the tensioner tabs should be installed prior to installing your frame. Please see the video detailing this installation prior to installing your frame. In this video, we're going to be going over installation of the burro box onto the PALICE frame using the PALICE Frame Adapter Kit. Included in the adapter kit are the shoulder straps and frame extensions, the MOLLE panel, and the kidney pad. The adapter kit can work with both the PALICE frame and the PALICE frame. Tools you might find beneficial during installation are a long screwdriver with a flat head and a pair of pliers. With an ideal installation, the base of the frame should be level with the bottom of the burro. Slide the MOLLE adapter over the top of the frame and line it up with the burro. With the bases of both items lined up, check where the webbing inserts directly into the MOLLE. In this case, it is the fourth slot down. Remove the adapter from the frame, the MOLLE tails from the burro, and the female split bar buckles from the MOLLE tails. Set these aside. Insert the MOLLE tail into the appropriate predetermined slot. In this example, it is the fourth slot down from the top. Follow along the row of MOLLE until each MOLLE tail is inserted in the proper slot. After you've inserted the webbing through the adapter, loop it back through the next available row of MOLLE on the burro box. Repeat this process until all of the rows and the columns on the box and the adapter are weaved with the webbing. If you're using a traditional PALICE frame, you may be able to go over the center crossbar by leaving the MOLLE tails out from the bottom of the adapter. If you're using a PALICE frame, you can dive these back into the burro and pass them all the way through to the second row from the bottom. At this point, the slack should be pulled from the webbing and the adapter should sit flush against the back of the burro. The webbing should also have passed underneath all of the columns of MOLLE until it hits the second row from the bottom. Next, install the PALICE frame back into the adapter. If you have an PALICE frame, you would install it before so that you can put it over the center cross member. After putting the webbing over the bottom crossbar of the frame, insert the tabs on the ends of the webbing back into the bottom of the burro and make sure that the tab locks into the bottom of the MOLLE. Depending on the end user's preference, the female split bar buckles and the adapters for them can be mounted in either orientation by feeding the adapter through from the bottom of the MOLLE or through from the top. Both orientations are shown here. In order to install the straps, insert the webbing through the designated slots on the PALICE frame or PALICE frame. Loop the straps back over the top of the frame. Loop the strap back through the bottom of the ladder lock. Insert the strap end through the top of the ladder lock and pull tight. The kidney belt operates in the same way that the shoulder straps do with the ladder lock. Insert the strap through the bottom of the ladder lock, then root it back through the top of the ladder lock. The easiest way to install the kidney belt is one side at a time. Insert one portion of the strap through the side of the frame and through the ladder lock system, then attach the other side. Pull both sides tight and make sure it is evenly spaced between the frame. In order to install the straps for the frame, insert the loop end through the designated hole in the frame and girth hitch it, then buckle the frame strap into the quasm for the shoulder strap.